Hello everyone, my name is Jared Aiden Olim, and today I'll be doing a 5-minute simple math tutorial. This will be my project for general mathematics and oral communication. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. Alright, so in the first part of this tutorial, I will be teaching you how to evaluate a certain function. So let's get started. Let's say, given f of x equals x squared plus, let's say, 4x minus 22, find the following. Alright, so the first example will be finding f2. So, the first thing we have to look at is this. Given f of x, any number or coefficient that's inside the parentheses is considered as our x. As you can see here, 2 is inside the parentheses, and that is your given f of x. This is your x. 2 is your x. Now, all you have to do is substitute 2 into the x's in this equation. The x's are only x squared and 4x. So, this is how it will look like. Always remember to put an open and closed parenthesis every time you're trying to substitute. Now, let's put 2 over here. Since we're substituting, 2 squared plus, substituting 2 to the x here and 4, beside 4. 4, open parenthesis, 2, close parenthesis, minus 22. Alright, now we have to simplify. 2 squared, or 2 times 2, is 4. Plus 4 times 2, that is 8, minus 22. So, now we're going to be doing PEMDAS, or parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. The first thing we have to do is addition, or adding. 4 plus 8, which is 12, minus 22. So 12 minus 22 is negative 10. Why is it negative 10? Why not positive? Well, as you can see here, 12 is lesser than 22. It's the lesser value, and it's placed at the left-hand side, which is the first part. If 12 was here, in the right side, and 22 was in the left side, the answer would be positive 10, because 22 is the greater value. But since 22 is here, and 12 is the lesser value, which is in the left-hand side, the answer would be negative 10. And that is our answer for f2. f2 equals negative 10. We have found the answer. Thank you so much for this part. Thank you so much for watching this part. And right now, I'll be showing you the second example. So, in the first part, I discussed on how to evaluate functions. And this is the second part, it's the last part. I'll be teaching you to solve problems involving composition of functions. It's a little bit different, but I'll teach you, don't worry. So, it all starts with f circle g of x. You can also say f composed of g of x. This is not called fog, okay? This is like a circle. You can say f of g, or f circle g, or f is composed of g. Now, this is denoted as f of. If I say of, it's composed of. It's going to have a parenthesis. F of g of x, close parenthesis. So, this may seem a little tricky. So I'll be telling you exactly what I mean. We are plugging in g inside f. Again, we are plugging in g, or we are placing g inside the parenthesis of f. It's called f composed of g. That means g is inside f. Okay? Now, I'll give an example. Let's say g of x is equal to 5x plus 3. And f of x is equal to 2x plus 1. Okay, so what are we trying to find here? Find f of g of x. How do we do this? Step by step. Okay. First of all, we should look at this again. Take a look at this. We're doing this in the first step. We're going to plug in our g of x inside f. What's our g of x? It's right here. It's 5x plus 3. So, f of, or you can say parenthesis, 5x plus 3. See? We substituted our g of x. We placed it, we plugged it in f of x. Now, since we're done with that, we're going to be plugging our 5x plus 3 in this equation of f of x. We're going to be plugging in 5x plus 3 here in this equation. So it will look like this. 2, we're going to plug in again 5x in that x over here. So parenthesis 5x plus 3, close parenthesis, plus 1. So we put plus 1. Alright, next we're going to simplify. 2 times 5 is 10. Sorry for that. 10x. And now, you can see there, 3 times 2 is 6 plus 6 and plus 1. So, the last step is to add like terms. 6 plus 1, that's 7. So it'll become 10x plus 7. I apologize for my handwriting. So, yeah, this is our f. Oh, sorry. Let's just erase that thing. This is our f of g of x. Let me box that so it'll be clear. There. This is our f of g of x. So, thank you so much for watching, and God bless. Hope this would be easy for you.